7.5C, we're looking at geometry stuff. This is page 2. In the scale used on a blueprint. Okay, I've heard the word scale. Scale means I'm setting up a proportion. 1/4 inch represents 2 feet, so that's important. On the blueprint, what is the length of a room with an actual length of 20 feet? Okay, so scale, we got to think proportion. And again, they gave me 3 numbers. And they gave me 2 units, inches and feet. I think I'm going to do inches and feet. Okay, reading. 1/4 inch. I probably don't want to actually use the 1/4, but the 1/4 is the same thing as 1/4 in real life, 25 cents. So 1/4 inch equals 2 feet, so that's 2 on bottom. And then over here that's feet, so feet is on bottom. Oh, this is nice. Arrow points towards my x. 2 times 10 makes 20. So 25 cents times 20 makes what? $2.50. Which means 2.5 is the answer I'm looking for. Letter D. Very nice. Oh, Corbin. He's making a scale model. Oh, hello. Scale, meaning proportion. Model of the San Jacinto Monument. The monument has an actual height of 604 feet. Corbin's model uses a scale in which 1 inch represents 100 feet. What is the height in inches of Corbin's model? Okay, so scale means make a proportion. Then I've got actual height, 604. And then scale, again, it says 1 inch represents 100 feet. Set it up. So I've got inches and feet. I'll do inches on top, feet on bottom. Can you flip-flop it? Of course you can. Okay, you don't have to have it exactly like I do. But there has to be a reason for you putting a number in a certain spot. I'm starting with my scale, because I can always use 1 inch and 100 feet. Then the other one says 604, feet is on bottom, that's 604. Oh, I might have to do some multiplying here. If you don't already know how to go from 100 to 604, which I'm guessing you might not, we can do something else. Do this. I'm going to grab another pen or pencil. So not only do we look for shortcuts, between my 2 ratios like I did here, but I can also look within the ratio. Okay, so maybe this is easier for you to see. How do I go from 100 to 1? Well, that would be dividing by 100. And dividing by 100 is easy because it just means I'm moving my decimal. And that would mean I would have to do the same thing here. I would have to divide by 100. So 604. My decimal starts there. Dividing by 100 means I'm moving my decimal twice to make it smaller. My answer is 6.04. Okay, you don't believe me? That's fine. You can cross multiply and do the division. That would be 604 equals 100x. Divide by 100. 604 divided by 100. 100 goes into 6 0 times, into 60 0 times. 100 goes into 600 6 times. Subtract, you get 4. Add a decimal. Notice I'm on the right track. Bring down 100 into 40 0 times. Add another 0, but 100 into 400 is 4 times. So whether you do it the easy way, thinking about what a division of 100 would mean, or you do the actual hard math, it still gives you my same answer. Now, this is a positive answer, so you don't necessarily have to bubble this in, but you can. If your answer is negative and you don't bubble that in, it would be wrong. So 6, 0, 4.